how to give me access into your Keap account as a partner to allow me to make changes on your behalf. So go into the top right, click on the little icon, that is your account, click on settings. Once you've gone to settings, you then just go to users, go up to add user, then you'll have this this page come up here. So you'll need to put in my first name and then my ID, which is partner@relevate.com.au, and then you'll need to go down and select this box down the bottom. This won't use up any of your user licenses. It's a free one that comes in over the top of everything else, and it allows me full access to be able to assist you with your account. So then you just select send user invite and you're done. Thank you very much.